Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer from Phantom Wallet to Bitget application. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Phantom Wallet application. Once you have successfully logged into your Phantom Wallet account, after that you just need to simply tap on the send button, and first of all here you will need to select any preferred currency you are using in order to transfer from Phantom Wallet to Bitget application. But in this video I'm using here Solana. So in the search bar, search as well Solana and click on it. After that, it will require you a Solana depositing address of Bitget. So in order to do that, you have to simply minimize your Phantom wallet and open your Bitget application. Once you have successfully logged into your Bitget applications, after that simply tap on the assets tab at the bottom right corner, and here click on the deposit button. After that, tap on the deposit crypto. From this list of cryptocurrencies, in the search bar you have to simply search for SOL Solana and tap on the top version of Solana. And now here you can see your Solana depositing address along with the QR code. Simply copy this address, and after copying, reopen your Phantom wallet, authenticate again and paste this address from your clipboard to here and tap next button at the bottom. After that, it will ask you to enter the payment. Enter the amount of Solana you are transferring into Bitget, for example 20, and after entering the amount, simply click on the next button at the bottom. It will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your Solana from Phantom wallet to Bitget application, and that's how you can transfer from Phantom wallet to Bitget. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.